everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are just joining me, welcome. My name is Angeline, and for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for all your support. I love all of you guys. So today we are going to do a Captain America look, as you saw from the photos. So one, if you're following me on Instagram, thank you. If you're not, please do, because I'll post all my photos, even of looks that I don't do on here, that I don't create videos of. And then if you want to get this look, the beauty look, before I'm doing my Captain America, make sure to go ahead and watch my previous video. So I will put a link for that down below in the comment section, but I'm also gonna tag it right up here, so you can click on that and go ahead and watch how to get this base look. And we're just gonna do the special effects part, so you guys can either try to recreate it, which I would love, and then have you tag me, and if not, and you just want to watch, well, thank you for watching. I'm going to use a lot of photos, a lot of inspiration from random makeup artists and from the actual movie. So I know I'm a little late on this bandwagon, but I'm just now starting to rewatch all the Marvel movies in order, not from when they were released, but from like when they take place. So me and my sister have been doing that, and it's actually been a lot of fun. So that's what we've been doing on our quarantine, and I suggest doing that if you have not already, because watching them in order, it almost makes so much more sense, and I'm catching little pieces that I didn't catch before. Anyways, can you tell I'm a little excited? So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, so please keep watching. Alrighty, so of course we are going to start out by outlining your design. I outline first no matter what, even if I'm about to paint it over. So I could not find my white pencil, so I used black since I knew I was going to paint over it anyways, but normally I would use a white eyeliner or something like that. And then I'm going in with a water-based paint. This is the Mehron and Gypsy Shrine Paradise Paints palette. I'm just doing blue, red, mostly blue all over, and then it's like a red stripe. I took some pictures and kind of got a general idea of what I wanted to do. I looked at Captain America's actual uniform, and then I also looked at some amazing makeup artists just to see what they did, how they created it, what their spin on it was. I love using water-based paints because it doesn't stain as much, and it's so easy to get off in the shower. So I recommend you looking into some water-based paints. Mehron is honestly my favorite so far, but I've also used Ben Nye as well, and I'm sure there's a lot of others out there that you can play with. So after you fill in your red, white, and blue with your 3 different paintbrushes, you can use the same if you want, but then you'll have to clean in between. It's just easier to get different brushes. I'm also gonna outline with a black water-based paint, so I'm gonna grab a super thin brush and do that to outline all my details. I'm also using the Morphe and James Charles palette, Unleash Your Inner Artist, and I'm gonna use all the shadows in there. He has every color, so it's perfect, the red, white, and the blue. And I'm gonna set all my water-based paints with those shadows. I also like grabbing a darker shade of each, so that way I can do the shadowing, make the uniform look more realistic. I will also grab a black shadow to outline those detail lines, as well as deepen up the indent areas where it would naturally be shadowed like in his real uniform, to make it just a little bit more realistic. Now, I still have a lot of practicing to do. I am not an expert in any way, but I just keep trying, I keep practicing, I look at photos and do what I can. I just keep trying to get better and better and improve. So if anyone has any helpful tips and tricks, please send them my way. And for those of you who are just starting out, just like me, hey, keep going. I can't really say I'm just starting out though. I've been doing this for quite a while. I just don't practice enough, to be honest. So I want to start playing around with it more and growing my expertise and doing it more and more every day rather than once a month. So if you're one of those people really in anything that you want to do, makeup, art, decorating, interior design, anything, keep going, guys. Achieve your dreams. You can do it. Keep practicing. It'll all work out. Okay, so now I'm going to take a white water-based paint as well as white shadows, and I'm going to create some highlights. This kind of just adds a little bit more dimension and a pop to the look.
it really ties it all together. I was kind of surprised. It's just a simple white lines, and it worked. Now I'm moving on to the face. So the same exact process, fill it in with the red, white, and blue where necessary, outline the lining black details, and then add some white highlight. Use the same products as before, shadow and set in as well, until you are completely satisfied with your mask. Okay, so I just wanted to jump back in here really quick and add that I am adding some black shadowing to the outer line of the mask as well as inside where the eyes pop out. That's gonna add depth and really look like I'm wearing a mask instead of just having paint on my face. Then using those same black paint as before, I'm adding the lines to make those creases and adding the highlights to really look like it's kind of denting in or folding, and again, more realistic. You're just trying to make it look more real instead of a 2D flat on your face.
Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I'm not going all the way down the arms, obviously, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If anybody wants to recreate it, again, please tag me. I'm actually really happy with how it came out, and I'm digging the blonde with the blue and whatnot. It works. So, Miss Captain America. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. All your support really does help. And then remember to follow me on Instagram, which I will tag down below. I have my personal account and then my makeup account, which will have this featured as well as the beauty look from the last video. So hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.